Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is a polar explorer, and this chapter is about the explorer or the discoverer Roald Amundsen. What does the term polar mean? The polar is associated with it is related with north or south pole. Now let us discuss the features of north and south poles. So, North Pole is covered with ice and snow. It is warmer than South Pole and there is no sunlight from September to March. Similarly, in South Pole, it is covered with 2700 meter thick snow. It is colder than North Pole and also there is no sunlight from September to. The word explorer means discoverer or traveler, or explorer means a person who discovers a new place. This chapter is about the explorer named as Roald Amundsen. So, first of all, we will discuss about his life. He was born on 16 July 1872, and his family. His father died when he was 14, and his mother died when he was 20th year of his age. He studied medicine because his mother wanted him to be a doctor, but he himself wanted to be an explorer, so he continued reading about explorers. And when his mother died at the age of when he was 20, he left university and he began his life as explorer. Now let us discuss the achievement of Roald Amundsen. He was the first person to pass through the Northwest Passage in Arctic Ocean. He was in the first expedition to reach the South Pole on 14th December 1911. In 1926, he led a successful expedition to the North Pole. He is recognized as the first person to have reached both North and South Poles. Now, what is the theme of this chapter, or what is the central idea, or what is this chapter all about? This chapter is about the expeditions, the travelings, and one thing, that the victory awaits for those who set all the thing in orders. This is the theme of this chapter. You can also say that adventure can be one of the theme of this chapter. Now let us start the overall review, or you can say the summary of this chapter. Early expeditions. Roald Amundsen was the member of the crew. He was on ship, he learned many skills, he watched other members, that how do they take care of themselves and how they tackle the difficulties, how they tackle the hunger, how to get rid of the diseases. And then in the age of 28 years, he became the leader of the expedition. And then in 1903 to 1906, he took 6 men on his ship to find a route through Northwest Passage. Then North Pole, when he took the road for North Pole, it was a challenge for him because he first tried to go by ship, but it got stuck in the ice and he decided to travel by the plane. Then he made his first attempt in 1925 and it was unsuccessful because it was quite dangerous. Then in 1926 he made it to the North Pole, or he reached to the North Pole. Then in 1928, at the age of 55, he was traveling in a plane that was on a rescue mission. The plane disappeared. He and his crew members were never seen again. They might have died or whatever, but they have never seen again. This was your chapter of Polar Explorer.